Rise and grind, people. Rise and grind. It's 5:30 a.m. right now. Sunday, June, I think it's 8th or 9th. 10 days into June already, guys. This month's going by quick. So what we got this morning going on is we got service to my parent, which is she has a small job on the weekends. She has a swap meet business at our local swap meet right here at Citrus College. So I usually get up early in the morning on Sunday mornings and go set her up over there, and then head over from there to the barber shop and get to work. We're only open half day today, so we should get done pretty quick. Got my trailer hooked up. That's how we roll to the swap meet, guys. In case you guys are wondering what's inside the trailer, that's what's inside the trailer.
Oh, that's tame, babe.
What up, tube? Today is Sunday, June 9th, I think. It's about 7:50 right now. I'm on my way to the shop right now. I just got done at the swap meet, set mom up, walked around a little bit, bought some things. Heading to the shop now. Get this day started, guys. You guys ain't working on Sundays? What's up, man? Sundays is a great day to go to work. Guess what on Sundays? Guess what you can do on Sunday? On Sundays, you can close up early. I don't stay open all day. I go from 8 to 1:30. That's it. We go hard from 8 to 1:30, make our money, get out of there, guys. That's how we do it. That's how you gotta roll. You gotta make that money, you guys. And there's days that if your shop is not open on Sundays, guys, you guys are making a mistake, guys. Trust me, because Sunday is an abundance of customers. The customers that come on Sunday do not come on Saturday or do not come on Friday. Those are Sunday customers only. They learn to be Sunday customers only. You know, it's a great day to go to work, guys. Keep that in mind. If you guys ain't open on Sundays, I suggest you do. All right, guys, I'm gonna head over there right now. Try to post up some cuts today. See what we can get into. All right. Late.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna place it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna place it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret.
Barbecue time. The men are out here. My bro, big brother. We're right here making some chicken and codornices. We're doing some, drinking a beer with my mom's. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
Look at my beautiful mother. Let's take you guys inside. Let's see what's going on inside the house. Right here, the girls, They're working hard right now. What are we on right here, girls?
Centerpieces.
Centerpieces for the baby shower.
And recuerdos.
And recuerdos. Baby shower's coming up.
2 weeks.
2 more weeks. Look at my beautiful grandmother over there. ¿Qué dice mamacita? Ándele. She's helping out right here. Why is there writing on your eyebrow?
Where?
Look at right there.
Where?
See how there's red on your eyebrow?
Where?
Red.
Where?
Look
Red's
at
right
right
here.
there. It's red right there on your eyebrow.
Where? Let's see.
Yeah. You don't see it right there. Look it right there.
I can't see.
Why did you write on your eyebrow?
No, it's from my cupcake.
Oh, it's from your cupcake?
Yes.
Oh, it's red from the cupcake?
Yes.
Oh, is that good, huh?
Red for la casca.
Oh, all right.
Ay, qué ojo.